Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video, as you all are requested for the paper presentation of English semester 2 which you are having in tomorrow's examination, that is 10th June to the 2024. So in this video I will gonna give certain tips and tricks which will be helpful for you all for tomorrow's examination. Okay, so in our already channel I have already shared the things about the important tips and tricks about the English questions, and also in this video I will tell how you need to write the summaries and how you need to do your paper presentation. Everything in this video we will discuss so that it will be helpful for you all. So students, so tomorrow is your first examination. So after going to your center, try to make columns. Okay, so in booklet you need to do the columns. Okay, you need to draw the margins side. Okay, so and after coming the paper you just start part B. Okay, so coming back to the part B is consisting of 60 marks. It will be important to write and attempt part B first. Okay, part A is full of grammar, you can finish it by half an hour. So but part B, in each question it carries around 15 marks, right? So minimum front and back 4 sides is must and should. Front back 4 sides for each answer. And while writing the summaries you need to keep the headings of introduction, about the author, explanation, theme, conclusion. So in introduction part you need to write about the lesson, from which lesson you are going to write that. Okay, so for example it is of a Bunyan poem, you need to write about the summary is extracted from the poem of Banyan tree. Okay, in that about the author Dilip Chitre was born in the year this, and he was brought up year in this, and he was graduated and he was awarded, like that you need to write it. Headings you need to keep and you need to write it, ma. And afterwards what I meant is, out of 8 chapters, means 4 units you are having, in that 4 units you are having 8 chapters, prepare any 4 chapters in each unit, prepare any 1 chapter I have said. For example, from unit number 1 prepare Banyan tree, that will be easy. And from unit number 2 prepare coronavirus. Okay, that will be easy. And from unit number 3 prepare a different history which was written by Sujata Bhatt. Corona was written by Srinivas Sahasranam. Banyan tree was written by Dilip Chitre. And from last unit you prepare a public speaker. Okay, so this 4 lessons, 4 summaries is must and should, and this 4 summaries is enough to score 60 marks. Okay students, so after completing 50 marks, if you have taken half an hour for each question also, you can write out within 2 hours you can complete part B. And after completing part B you should start part A, ma. In part A you will have 8 questions, that is 8 bits. So they will ask you to attempt 5 bits, but my suggestion is in part A you need to attempt all bits including extra. You don't need to keep any extra questions, like you don't need to keep any extra heading for the part A bits. And after that also you will have again time, if you time manage, if you are having time means again you start extra question in part B. Okay, so in part B you will have the extra questions, means that is also you can attempt. So attempting an extra question gives the corrector paper evaluator more impression, good impression on your paper. Okay, so these are the certain tips which I have followed in my graduation, and I have scored O grade also. So that's why I'm sharing these tips to you all, because some of the students have called me and they were asking me, what are the tips, ma'am, this time we are not getting the paper presentation video, like that. And for English paper, ma, handwriting is must and should. Okay, it's not at all like mandatory to write in a cursive writing, but your understanding way you need to write the spellings. Okay, whether you are writing in a cursive handwriting or a normal handwriting, the words understandable to evaluator, because as you are having a digital correction, and use only black pen, again some people will use blue pen, so you can use blue pen also. Compared to blue and black, As it is a digital correction, black pen gives more clarity of your words which you have written in your booklet. So out of blue and black, I prefer you to use black only. Okay, so some of the students will keep side headings with black and they will write information with blue. So you should not do like that in your degree examination. As you know, degree examination evaluation will be a digital correction. Your paper will get digitally corrected, so it is not manually. From whatever pen you are using, it will be converted into black only. So that's why using black pen will give more clarity to your booklet. Okay, so this is the thing ma. I hope that many of the students are watching our video in front of examination centers, I know, and I hope that you will rock this exam. All the very best for your examination. And so whatever the tips and I have said in this video, this I think that this will give some motivation to you. So don't feel so much stressed, and before 20 minutes or 30 minutes of the exam, just close the books and talk with your friends. It gives more relief to your mind. Okay, this is also one of the tip which you can follow mentally. And drink water before the examination. It will give immense like immense output while writing the examination if you drink water means. So this is the thing. And take the exam seriously. Each and every exam is important in second semester. Okay, all the very best. See you all in the next video. Bye bye students.